Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial by Shana's Home DIY and Crafts. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you, this is just a short tutorial of how I create this DIY wood round. I miss you guys so much and I am glad I'm able to post something. It's not long, but here we go. So here we go, we have an 18-inch round. You can get it at local Home Depot or Lowe's or even online, I guess, but you're going to need some stain, gloves, and a piece of cotton cloth. So I just have my scissors right here and I'm going to go ahead and cut that plastic wrap off my wood round. I got this one at Lowe's. In my last video that kind of looked like this, people was asking non-stop, where did you get the wood round? And I feel like I mentioned it the first thing in the tutorial. So maybe I have an accent and they didn't understand, or maybe they were watching that mute. But yes, I purchased this one at Lowe's and it's in the plastic, so I didn't have to sand this down. It's like super smooth. It's more expensive than the one that's not in the plastic because this is like smooth edge. Everything is already smooth. I didn't have to sand. So because I didn't have to stand, all I did was get my gloves on, and I'm using the dark walnut. Guys, you could get the stain to buy at Home Depot, Lowe's, Walmart, wherever. You can get to buy those. So you can buy it on Amazon. So here I'm staining the wood, and remember, the darker you go, or the darker you want your stain to be, the more you add, or you could continue going over it. I want this to be like the customer wanted, like a lighter brown, not a dark brown. So here we go. Just doing that, and I'm going to go ahead and stain the whole thing. I'm going to apply about I think I applied 2 coats of stain on the wood, and I did both back and front. The last one, people was killing me like, your round looks good, but it would have looked better if you stained the back. And I goes, you could do that to yours if you want to, but this one I'm gonna do one side. Customer will pay for one side. What you pay for is what you get, because that's waste of time and material if it's not going to be used. Or if you're going to do a reverse, then you can do so. But anyways, this customer wanted a full thing in. For those who would think I should have painted the back of the last one, here we go. Hope you're watching this one. I did the back of this one. So I talk too much, I know, but I miss you guys so much. How you guys been? I've been working so hard. I've been working 2 full-time jobs, trying to do my side hustle. Oh, I'm so tired, but here I am, showing a little bit of something, because I don't want YouTube to kick me off their platform, being like, you're posting, because my views already start dropping. So here I am with a little short video. Guys, if you want to see a better or a full tutorial on this, I am going to be linking on the full tutorial of another wood round I did that looks similar to this at the end of this video, so you can go on over and check that out once this video is done, or you can just click on the iCard above. I'm going to be linking that. Also, it's going to be in my description box below. I'm just using my little paint stands to hold those down. So after that, I did paint, use painter's tape and paint a half of this. I didn't show that, so you can see now half of it is white after leaving it dry for 24 hours. Here we go. I have my decal. It's already cut out. I'm just rolling out on my transfer tape. I didn't have a part of my video that shows how I cut that out. I mean, if you're interested in seeing so, go ahead and type that up in the comment section. Let me know. So I'm just pulling back the backing off my vinyl. I'm using permanent vinyl. Okay, so once I'm done peeling that back, I'm just gonna line that up on the white part of my wood round. And once I get it in the correct spot, or where it looks nice, where I want it to be, I am going to just put it down. Once I put it down, I'm going to be using my little squeegee and burnish over that to get it on the wood. Last video I have, people was asking the font. Damn, I forgot the font that I used for this one. I am going to be having the name of the font listed in my description box, so you can go ahead and you could check that out if you're interested in seeing what font I use, because I don't remember from the top of my head. And this is a video that I made for TikTok. It was like a little short video I make for TikTok, so that's why I don't have the full tutorial. But again, like I said, if you're interested in the full tutorial or more detail, check out the video that's gonna be popped up right after this one, or in the iCard, or even the description when you go look for that font. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. Burnishing over, trying to make sure everything stays down nice, tight, and sealed. Okay. If it's your first time here, I want to say welcome. And if it's not your first time here, welcome back. Thank you for not checking out on me because I'm not up here. But, thank you guys for your continuous love and support. I appreciate you guys. Here I have some lamb ear, and I'm just going to go ahead and I'm using my stapler, and I'm going to use that to hold those down. Once I get those hold down, there goes my bow. Yes, guys, I have created this bow. I didn't take a video or make a tutorial on how I make the bow. Like I said, I did not prepare this video for YouTube, but however, I have been away for since September, so I have to try and post something. Come on now, y'all know I gotta post something. So if you're interested in seeing how I make that bow, again, check that tutorial out and you'll see how I make that bow. And this is the final product. I love how it turned out. The customer love it. And you know what, if you enjoy watching this video, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell. Also make sure you share this video with your friends and family. This way they won't miss out. Now remember, you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. Until next time, be blessed.